In this video, I will tell you that how to get rid of bed bugs permanently, naturally and fast in mattresses and apartment in one day. If you go to sleep perfectly healthy and fine but find yourself waking up with tiny red and swollen bites or patches of skin covered with angry red spots, your mattress may be infested with bed bugs. But don't worry, in this video I will tell you that how to get rid of bed bugs fast, naturally at home. Bed bugs are tiny parasites that often infest mattresses. They feed exclusively on blood and are most active at night when they emerge to feed on their host. Apart from the bed, these pests can be found in cracks and crevices in your house, in your sheets and behind furniture, headboards, picture frames and electrical outlet plates. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. So to make this remedy, first ingredient you will need is rubbing alcohol. Not only you can use it to disinfect a bed bug's bite, rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol can also be used to get rid of the bed bugs. Rubbing alcohol is a solvent and can kill insects by dissolving their outer cells. Rubbing alcohol is also a desiccant, a drying agent, therefore it can destroy bed bugs and adult by drying them out. So just add 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol to it. Next ingredient you will need is baking soda. Baking soda can also be helpful against bed bugs because it acts as a detergent. It also kills bed bugs by dehydrating them when it is eaten by insects. It releases carbon dioxide bubbles that kill the bed bugs. So just add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to it. Last ingredient you will need is liquid dish soap. Liquid dish soap is another good insecticide that kills bed bugs on contact. Since it kills on contact, it won't work as effectively on hidden bed bugs, which means that you need to identify the bugs' hiding sites before proceeding with this method. So just add 1 teaspoon of liquid dish soap to it. Now add 1 cup of water to it. Mix all ingredients very well. Pour this mixture in a spray bottle. Spray this mixture directly into bed bugs to kill them on contact or send them running into nearby areas. To prevent further infestation, soak all infected surfaces including window sills, walls, furnishings, mattresses and carpets. Spray the surface as well as the corners and undersides. You would need to do this every week for several weeks to see a reduction in bed bugs. Thanks for watching.